Power plants. Power plants are also known as the generation plants or power stations. This is an industrial facility for the generation of electric power. Classification of power plants. Based on the energy input, power plants are broadly classified as thermal power plants, combustion and on heat recovery. Then comes hydroelectric power plants, nuclear power plants, wind energy power system, solar energy power system and power from tidal wave. This can also be said that it is the classification based on the conventional or non-conventional sources of energy. Understanding the thermal cycle efficiency. Let us refresh our knowledge of thermodynamics laws. First law states that the total energy of a system in all its forms remains constant. एनर्जी जो सिस्टम की एनर्जी है वो कांस्टेंट रहती है. फर्स्ट लॉ इज दिस. सेकंड इज इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एन इंजन whose sole purpose is to convert all the heat supplied to it into equivalent amount of work. कितना भी हम हीट अपने सिस्टम को अप्लाई करेंगे तो उतना हमको वर्क के रूप में नई आउटपुट मिलता है. It is impossible to convert all the heat energy supplied to a system to work. This is simple Carnot cycle, where you can see it is a TS plot, temperature versus entropy, in which 1-2 is the isothermal expansion at temperature T1 Kelvin, 2-3 is adiabatic expansion up to T2 Kelvin, 3-4 is the isothermal compression at temperature T2, and finally 4-1 is the adiabatic expansion up to temperature T1 Kelvin. For Carnot cycle, efficiency equals to 1 minus T2 by T1, where T1 equals to the temperature of heat source, T2 is the temperature of heat sink. Carnot cycle gives the maximum possible thermal efficiency which can be obtained between any two given temperature limits. Efficiency and Carnot engine. Efficiency equals to work output from a system upon the heat input to the system. कितना आउटपुट हमें सिस्टम से मिल रहा है और कितना हमने इनपुट दिया था सिस्टम को, उसका रेशियो जो है वो एफिशिएंसी है. बिकॉज ऑफ द सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स हमने देखा जितनी एनर्जी हमने अप्लाई करी है उतना हमें वर्क डन नहीं मिलता है. हेंस एफिशिएंसी कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 100%. इसलिए जो हीट जो कि कन्वर्ट नहीं हुई है वर्क में उसके लिए हमें हीट सिंक ज़रूरी है. इसीलिए एफिशिएंसी इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस Q2 by Q1 और Q1 माइनस Q2 by Q1, वेयर Q1 इज द हीट फ्रॉम sink source to the system, where Q2 is the heat from system to the sink. Conclusion on Carnot cycle efficiency. No engine working on cyclic process is more efficient than Carnot's engine when working between same limits of temperature. कोई भी इंजन जो भी साइक्लिक प्रोसेस पे काम करता है वो कार्नोट इंजन से ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट नहीं है व्हेन वर्किंग बिटवीन द सेम लिमिट्स ऑफ टेम्परेचर. All the effort should be made to come closer to Carnot cycle as far as possible to achieve a maximum efficiency out of any thermal cycle. Then comes our Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle एक मॉडल है जिससे कि हम किसी भी स्टीम टरबाइन सिस्टम के परफॉर्मेंस को प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. इसको हम रेसिप्रोकेटिंग स्टीम इंजन्स के परफॉर्मेंस को भी पढ़ने के लिए काम में लेते हैं. द रैंकाइन साइकिल, ये जो है रैंकाइन साइकिल, ये एक आइडियलाइज थर्मोडायनामिक साइकिल है हीट इंजन के लिए, जिसमें हीट को मैकेनिकल वर्क में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है इंक्लूडिंग द फेज चेंज. इसमें हम देख सकते हैं टीएस प्लॉट में देयर आर 4 प्रोसेसेस which includes isentropic compression, constant pressure heat addition in the boiler, isentropic expansion and constant pressure heat rejection in condenser. And the efficiency of Rankine cycle is given as W by Q1, that is work done divided by the input heat, W1 minus W2 by Q1. These are some of the formulas for Rankine cycle which we have already considered. efficiency equals to W by Q is equal to useful work by heat supplied. And for Carnot cycle, it is T1 minus T2 by T1. To achieve more efficiency, T2 should be low as possible, and T1 should be as high as possible. Methods of increasing the Rankine cycle efficiency is, first is raising the supply temperature by superheating. Superheating से हम supply temperature को increase कर सकते हैं. Increasing the inlet temperature will raise the heat supply to the cycle more than the heat rejection. Raising the inlet pressure of the steam. अगर हम inlet pressure of steam को increase करें तो भी हमें efficiency increase कर सकते हैं. Increasing the pressure will mean increase in the saturation temperature at which the steam evaporates, thus increasing the average inlet temperature T1. Dropping the final pressure at which the heat is rejected. तो भी हम इससे अपनी efficiency को increase कर सकते हैं Rankine cycle की. Regenerative heating, heating the feed water pump to the boiler by bleeding steam from the turbine. इससे भी हम, अगर हमने bleeding कर ली steam की turbine के कुछ points से, तो भी हम efficiency को increase कर सकते हैं. और reheat cycle, reheating of system in boiler after it has already expanded in the HP turbine will avoid moisture formation in LP turbine. Also, more heat content of steam before the IP turbine will improve the efficiency.